Terrazzo. It's definitely one of my favorite materials to use in interior design. And I think it just looks really cool. I think it's one of those timeless materials. In English, it's pronounced Terrazzo, but the right way to pronounce it is actually Terrazzo because it's originally Italian. It's like Terrazzo. And that's one thing I really like about it, the fact that it's Italian, because I love everything Italian. So what is terrazzo? Terrazzo is a composite material that they put chips of marble or glass or other things in a cement base or a resin base and then polish it when it's cured. There are a lot of different finishes when it comes to terrazzo. We got the cement-based terrazzo that looks something like this. We also got the epoxy-based terrazzo that looks like this. You can also get it in a polished finish or a matte finish, or even with a sandblasted finish. But I personally like the shiny, polished white version with colorful chips, which looks like this. But that's just what I like. You can just choose whatever finish you like. Back in the 15th century in Venice, they used to reuse marble scraps and they embedded them into clay and finished the surface with goat milk. And I know it sounds disgusting by today's standards, but that's how they used to make terrazzo. So the formula of creating terrazzo got updated over the years, and it was during the 20th century that it got its popularity among the interior designers. So when it comes to interior design, terrazzo is mostly used for countertops and also floors, and sometimes it's also used for furnitures. Maybe you can use it for tabletops or maybe planters. And overall, I can say that it's a very versatile material to use. Or you can just go ahead and cover your entire house in terrazzo and it's going to look something like this. And it still looks cool. The other thing I really like about terrazzo is, of course, its sustainability. Because, you're using scraps of materials with a resin base. And that thing is just perfect when it comes to sustainability and reusability. It's also not that expensive compared to other materials used in interior designs. And it's also very durable. Unless you drop your tabletop from the 5th floor. The most famous use case of terrazzo is the Hollywood Walk of Fame. That part where they have like stars embedded on the sidewalk. And when it comes to furniture, my favorite is the Lamb's Memorial Collection that you can see here. So terrazzo is a timeless, versatile, and sustainable material that you can use wherever you want. Whether it's for the countertops, the floors, the tabletops, the planters, it has this unique ability to fit wherever you use it. So if you're as obsessed with terrazzo as I am, you can let me know down in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.